IT students of Access Computer College, Camarines Campus. And we are here to demonstrate how to assemble and disassemble a system unit.
These are the rules that you need to follow. First, you must listen carefully. Second, you will take down notes. Third, be careful and aim the part because it's sensitive.
Four.
Microprocessor, an electronic circuit that functions as a central processing unit of computer, providing computational control. Memory, circuitry that allows information to be stored and retrieved.
IDE, Integrated Device Electronics, a type of disk drive interface in which the controller electronics reside in the drive itself.
SATA is the faster serial version of the original parallel interface.
Power supply, a system that converts AC current from the wall outlet into the DC current required by electronic circuits.
Hard drive, consists of rigid circular platters of magnetically material sealed in a metal box with associated read or write heads.
DVD-ROM, a read-only DVD disc used to permanently store data files. DVD-ROM disks are widely used to distribute large software applications that exceed the capacity of a CD-ROM disk.
Keyboard, the standard input device of most computers. It was patterned after the typewriter and the keypad of an electronic calculator.
Mouse, it is a device which is used with computers. It is a small plastic box with buttons on top and a ball underneath.
Video card, a common term for display adapter, which is printed circuit board that generates the images of the computer screen.
When I dream about you, that's when